In this problem, we want to know how many cards were in each deck. So let pawn be the number of cards in each deck. We have three sets of cards, so I'm going to use 3 pawns to represent the 3 sets of cards. 3 sets of cards, each containing the same number of cards, were spread out and added to 5 loose cards. So these 3 cards are added to 5 loose cards, giving a total of 26 cards. So on this side, I'm going to have 26. And we're told that both sides have the same number of cards. So that means that since both sides have the same value, I can remove the 5 value from here. I can remove the 6, take 5 from that, and you have 1. So now that we have 3 pawns worth 21, that means that each pawn is 7. We can now provide the answer in a sentence format. There are 7 cards in each deck. There are 7 cards in each deck. Now all we have to do is do the check. If you have 3 sets of cards, each containing the same number of cards, that's going to be 21. When added to 5 loose cards, that's 26, gives a total of 26. So the check value is 26 does equal to 26.